Right now, the city you live in is becoming smarter, but that intelligence is not being built for your freedom. It's being designed to predict where you'll go, who you'll meet, and what you'll buy. Not because you told it, but because it learned you. This isn't science fiction, and it isn't a distant future. These systems already exist, quietly expanding through smart cities, mass surveillance networks, and predictive policing, embedding control directly into the structure of urban life. Tonight, we expose the cyberpunk reality behind algorithmic cities and the invisible systems shaping human behavior. Not tomorrow, but right now. Smart cities are marketed as humanity's next great leap forward. Cities powered by artificial intelligence, traffic that fixes itself, energy grids that optimize automatically, buildings that think, infrastructure that learns, sensors embedded into roads, cameras on every corner, data flowing constantly into centralized systems. On paper, it sounds like a utopia. Less crime, less waste, more efficiency, more convenience. A city that knows what you need before you do. But there's an uncomfortable question hiding beneath the marketing. Who controls this intelligence, and who does it really serve? Because a city that can predict traffic can also predict people. Every smart city is built on surveillance. Cameras, microphones, biometric scanners, license plate readers, and facial recognition systems form its foundation. Millions of digital eyes that never sleep, never blink, and never forget. In some cities, artificial intelligence already identifies people in real time. It tracks where you walk, who you meet, what you buy, how long you stay, and what you look at. This data doesn't disappear. It's stored, analyzed, cross-referenced, and monetized. Nowhere is this more visible than in China's rapidly expanding smart city ecosystem. Entire metropolitan areas are blanketed with cameras, facial recognition, and AI-driven monitoring systems. The government describes it as a technological utopia built on safety, order, and harmony. Crime detection is automated. Citizens are identified instantly. Behavior is constantly assessed. To supporters, it represents efficiency and stability. To critics, it represents the most advanced surveillance state ever created. The city begins to know you better than your closest friends ever could. And once surveillance becomes infrastructure, you can't opt out. You don't choose to participate. You are born into the system. Surveillance is always introduced as protection. To stop crime, to prevent terrorism, to keep citizens safe. But history shows a consistent pattern. Tools built for safety eventually become tools of control. When AI decides who looks suspicious, bias becomes automated. When algorithms predict crime, people are punished for things they haven't done. Predictive policing already exists. Your neighborhood, your income level, your social network, and your past behavior all become data points inside a machine that calculates your risk score. In China, elements of this logic are embedded into the social credit system. Citizens are rewarded or punished based on behavioral data. A high score can grant easier access to loans, housing, or travel. A low score can restrict movement, limit job opportunities, or block access to services. Not judged by humans, judged by code. And code has no empathy, only probabilities. The most effective prison isn't made of steel. It's made of convenience. You don't feel trapped. You feel comfortable. Your phone unlocks doors. Your face replaces your ID. Your digital wallet replaces cash. Everything becomes faster, easier, smoother. Until one day, access is denied. Your payment fails. Your transit pass stops working. Your social privileges disappear. No cell, no bars, just exclusion. In a smart city, citizenship becomes conditional. Obedience becomes currency. You are free only as long as the system approves of your existence. Governments rarely build smart cities alone. They partner with technology corporations. The same corporations that harvest your data, sell your attention, and design the algorithms. Private companies become city architects. They don't answer to voters. They answer to shareholders. Your city becomes a platform. You become the product. Every movement generates data. Every habit generates profit. The cyberpunk future isn't ruled by governments. It's ruled by corporations wearing the skin of infrastructure. Cyberpunk never warned us about technology. It warned us about power. A world where cities glow, technology dazzles, but humanity shrinks. Where progress benefits the few and monitors the many. The question isn't whether smart cities will exist. They already do. The real question is who they belong to, and who they are really built for. Because once a digital cage is complete, you won't see the bars. You'll feel them. Smart cities aren't just about technology. They're about control. And the more invisible these systems become, the more important it is to question them. If you want to understand the future being built behind the screens, subscribe to Cyber News Radio. Stay aware. Stay human.